Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact USB-C header type on your motherboard. This matters because pinouts differ, and using the wrong connector can damage pins. Once done, gather a Type-C front panel module or adapter, the correct cable and basic tools. Power down and unplug the PSU, then ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Make sure to remove the case side panel and locate the internal headers so you can match pins visually before connecting anything. Next, you align the USB-C connector carefully to the motherboard header. Look for the keyed notch and the pin numbering and do not force the plug. Once seated, route the cable along the case edge, secure it with a tie, and keep it clear of fans and heat sources to prevent wear. If your front panel module needs power, attach the appropriate cable now. Make sure screws or standoffs secure the module so vibrations won't loosen the connection over time. Finally, you replace the case panel, reconnect the PSU, and boot into BIOS to verify the new USB-C port appears. This confirms physical and electrical connection. Once in the OS, test with a known USB-C device to verify data, power delivery, and video if supported, and check transfer speeds. If something fails, reseat the connector first, then update BIOS and USB drivers. Make sure to try a different certified cable or a different internal header adapter to isolate cable versus board problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.